back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a review of CSTCMine.com. CSTCMine.com has been around since December 2022 and they have been paying. Yeah, I'm sorry it's coming late, but I have actually seen people get paid, so I felt, wow, let me tell my audience and also get them involved in this. But don't forget, this is not a financial advice and it is not for you to carry it on your head and start investing all your funds or your hard-earned money. I'm going to show you some of the things on the platform that looks shady, that doesn't make sense to me, and I'm going to show you a whole lot of things or reasons why you should invest. Yes, it all depends on you, but don't forget, don't break your life savings just to invest on this platform. Yes guys, stay tuned. When we return, I'm going to show you how it works. Hello guys, welcome back. As said earlier, this is CSTCMine.com. CSTCMine.com. Now let's log into the dashboard to see how it works and to see the investment plans that they have. So for those that are new to mining it's all about you buy a particular machine and you use power. You use power to generate lots of cryptocurrencies, transactions, and all those things. And in exchange, you get commission that's from the hash rate that you are actually mining. So for these guys, they claim to be a sort of organization that help people, that sell tools to people. So what they do in exchanges, in short, I just cancel something now, and that notification is to tell us that they are doing tax-free day. That means you can withdraw without paying charges. So what they do is they sell some of their mining machines and they lease out some, they rent out some. So if you're investing on this platform, you are literally investing either by buying or by leasing or by any form. Now the tools are there and we are going to check them out one by one. But before we go on, let's go to Play Store, because this platform has an app on Play Store and we need to check it out to see what people have to say on Play Store. This would help us in making our decisions if it is legit or scam. Yes, but don't forget that when people actually say things on Play Store, the truth is this: even if you are legit, some will come out to say it's not working for them, some will come out to tell you it's working for them. So there are lots and lots of things to consider before investing on this platform. For example, as I said, this CSTCMine app is very user friendly. I find it easy to use. Another person said first time I logged in was easy. Now I can't log in anymore. My account is lost. Can't access my account. Another person said I will come back to this app. I just already have made my payments to invest, but my payment is not reflecting. So if you check, I would advise you to check all the reviews one by one before making your decision. Like I do tell you guys, this is not financial advice. You can take it, you can leave it. You're an adult and you should be able to make your own decision. Now, the first challenge I think I'm having with this platform is the fact that it says platform running safely for 895 days. If you calculate how many days this is almost 3 years. But the question is this true or lie? This is a deceit as far as I'm concerned, because if you check when this platform was built, even if they changed their name, you can't stay assert if it's true or not. Now, this platform, they said, was registered on the 4th of December 2022, meaning they started just last year, December. That's about 6 months ago, but they are saying they started about 3 years ago. So the question is, how do we affirm if this is true or lie? If it's a lie, why are they lying? But sincerely, I've seen lots of good reviews about them. I've seen some bad reviews, and I think the good reviews outweigh the bad ones, because most of the bad reviews are always about deposit not reflecting. Now, if it's not reflecting, it could be a bank error, or some are saying they can't log into their account. It doesn't mean the admin is deleting them. That's the account when they deposit and they run away with their funds. So lot of issues, like I said. Now let's go down. Now if you go to mining, you will get to realize that you understand perfectly how this platform works. For example, you can lease Bitfruit TADIS miner. This is a mining machine. You can rent it for 37,500 naira, and it is valid for 180 days. So you have to make about 750 naira daily till the 180 days elapse. So it's gone. So you're going to make your profit, and this other one has a discount, is 120,000 naira. The next one is 180,000 as a discount. So there are lots and lots of them. Now there are some that they are saying sold out. For example, this 25,000. So one thing with these guys is, after the 180 days, if you use purchase, there are differences there. You will need to, they will send you this machine and you will install the machine in your house. They will send you tutorials on how to install these machines, and you can start making money from them right in your house. Check around, check Google, check YouTube. There are lots of persons mining Bitcoin in their homes abroad. Yes, there are lots of them. They are mining Bitcoins. What they do is they buy machines like this, and they use the machines to mine. Once you activate the machine, the only thing is that light must not go. As long as you have light, you are making money on the go abroad. So it's normal, it's popular, but the question still remains: are they legit? Can you trust them? Can you do business with them? This is they have another on CSTC. This is a mining machine. Look at these mining machines. It's a CSTC coin miner. This is their own. It's 108,000 naira. The other one is CSTC coin mining machine. This one is 460,000 naira. So the machines are there, and you can, these purchases and this of CSTC, some of them last for 60 days, some last for 120 days. It is after this time that you can decide to do a one-time purchase instead of leasing. If you purchase the first time, they will manage it for you, and after that they will send it to your address, and after that you can start using. So you can click on CSTC to stake. So one thing about this platform is, beyond mining, they also do staking. Staking is like investing. Now, the mining is like you are putting your money to work through their stuff, but staking is you are not buying any machine. You just want to grow your funds sharply. For example, they have a 7-day staking, which is you invest 1,524 naira. It's valid for 7 days, and you can buy it CSTC. I heard they have a coin out there, so you buy the coins, and I think one coin is 1,524 naira. So you must have at least 20 CSTC and stake. Now once you buy the CSTC coin, CST coin, you can stake it for 7 days. Then you get 7% return on your investment. Though another thing is they have another one for 30 days staking. They have 60 days staking. So there are lots of it, and one good part is it has a referral program. If you are, as you are watching this video, please go to the description section. You will see the link to register. The truth is, you will need this code to register. So check the description part. You also see the code right there. It is that code that you use to register on this platform. Now you can refer people and make money from level 1 to level 3. That is exactly how the platform works. Now, if you want to contact the customer care, they are on WhatsApp and Telegram. Now they have the consultant contact, which is what you are seeing on the screen right now. Then they have the one for WhatsApp, and the good part is they also have a Nigerian representative, which is a superior contact. So this is his phone number right there also. So you can contact them. It looks legit. I've been seeing people get paid. So it all depends on what you want. It all depends on your conviction. Do your research also before investing on this platform. But for me, I am investing on this platform, and let me check out which of them I'm going to buy. Let me see the purchase. 1 million plus. This is high. I'm not going to risk that much. I might start with maybe 120,000 naira. That's cloud computing, GTX 1660X. So this is a good one. It says a daily income of 12,000 naira, then valid for 60 days, then lease limit is 5. Total revenue is 720,000 naira. This is a good one actually. So I'm going to invest on this plan. I hardly invest on things, but I'm a little bit convinced about this platform, so I'm going to invest here. If you are watching our video for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We talk about money, we talk about cryptocurrencies, we talk about loans, we talk about investment, we do scam reviews and all. We love you so much. I would love to have you here again. Thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.